Hey, Bubba here. It's hot out. 90 something with a heat index of 100. It's a work day. It's Friday. Didn't get to do a lunch. So I figured in lieu of lunch, I'd stop by this park and throw out the line and see maybe if I can catch me a smallmouth or something. Anything's better than work, you know. It's been so blasted hot out, it's been hard to get in the bush. Got out and did some hammocking and set up camp last weekend, but that didn't last long. Again, this whole week's been in the upper 90s. So this is a little river that comes through northern Illinois. It starts in midwestern Wisconsin. Flows down here. It's a slow, muddy river. So a lot of people out here tend to fish for catfish. I don't mind fishing for catfish. It's just those days are over. Usually for me, I don't eat them, so I don't want to catch them. Plus, I like to sit there and throw the lures out instead of just waiting there and loading up stink bait and catching a lot of bottle fish in between. So this way, go for some. I'm fishing with an ultralight setup, small collapsible, 8-pound test. I run a leader on it just in case I do get a walleye, because there's some walleyes, mostly smallmouth. Catfish, a lot of channel cat, walleye, some panfish, not as much in the river as there are in the lakes. Did a lot of walleye fishing, well, not a lot, but several attempts at walleye fishing earlier this spring, and I didn't come up with anything using the Rapala Rappin' Rattler. Using a lot of spoons. So I throw that guy out and see if that'll catch anything or attract anything. Just had my Mepps Black Fury I just lost the other day in a really, really tiny creek. Just a water solo everywhere up here with all the fallen trees everywhere. There's so much sunken debris. Just spend more money on lures than I do catching fish. Could have picked a better spot, full sun. Yay. Could adjust it down a little bit. Maybe you can see what I don't catch. Little landing that nobody uses. There's cement picnic tables and a couple of these little fishing piers, and the only couple times I've seen people down here using them, they were just drinking more than they were fishing. Well, that does it for me. Back in the car, the refuge of the air conditioner. Was at it for 45 minutes. Not a bite. Caught a tree with a miscast. Yay, tree. Anyways, I'm out of here. As always, get outside and do what you love.